Top 5. Just dragging and dropping effects and templates that you can use to do better than CapCut fellas. What's going on, everybody? Alex here, and welcome to this episode where we're going to look at Filmora resources that save you hours and yet still produce quality results, and we are going to do that in Filmora Mobile. Look at that. Man, do you know that you can spend more than an hour to try to do that in Filmora 14? In fact, this effect doesn't exist in Filmora 14. We just have it in Filmora Mobile. So you must feel free, my dear friend, for some time if you want things like this. Just import that particular part in your Filmora Mobile and then apply the effect, export it, and then you save your time just like that. While you're editing your project right here in Filmora, just go to this option right here, which is the effect, and right here of course you can go on and just search for the circular opening and then select it, and right here you can select this ticking mark here to apply it. Alright, and as you can see right now, the effect has been applied. Alright, now the very second effect right here, my dear friend, is no doubt you have seen this before because it's very popular and trending. Alright, so alright, if you have ever come across some sports reels, this is the only effect you need. All over the internet there are sports reels, and this is one of the most critically important effect that you need to pull that effect out. And honestly, you take much more time to try to build this up on your own, but right in Filmora Mobile is just a drag and drop. Alright, so let's go ahead and search it, and then you repeat the process of applying it to wherever you want it. PAPA01, alright, or just go under the party. Well, the third one, my dear friend, is the cinematic black bars. Alright, instead of trying to drag the black bars on your own in your project, the black, the black sample color, and try to put it over there and so forth and so forth, you can just search for this cinematic border and then drag it on your video, apply it just because it's an effect, so you apply it. Alright, and once that is done, there you go, you got your cinematic video in a second. Just a drag and drop. Let's move on. And the next effect right here on my list, my dears, is what is called the ray scanning. Alright, so this is mostly suitable for the logos. When you create a logo like in this way right here, if you apply it on this one right here, you find out that it's more suitable for that, or else maybe some digits or numbers, and then you can make that kind of a shiny text, scanning shiny text, something like that. Alright, so you got it. And the last one right here, my dear friend, the burning outline. Alright, so if you search right here on the effects right here, you can find it over here, just named burning. Alright, and once you apply it, there you go. And with that knowledge, my dear friend, you now know that Filmora have got a lot of resources, and anytime, any season, any festive, Filmora has got you covered. And I would like to say thank you for watching this video to this very point. Go ahead and share, subscribe, and like the content to support the growth of this channel. Until I meet you in the next episode, peace.